Hello everybody. So in this video I will show you a cheap way of making it easier to see yourself in the camera so that you know that you are recording yourself, especially for blogging. Okay, so get blind spot mirrors for cars. These things don't cost much. You can find them in the automotive section. A cheap selfie stick so that you can steal the cell phone piece if you're using cell phones. If you use cameras, we'll get to that in just a minute. So let's go ahead and take this piece out. I really don't like selfie sticks, so we will be using this miniature tripod. Truthfully, these are better because it's more comfortable on the handle and it's lighter. Okay. So the mirrors are slanted. So you want to tilt the mirror towards your lens. Okay. So for the cell phones, you take your cell phone holder and you get yourself some industrial Velcros. Okay, so you use industrial Velcro. You want to make sure that it says industrial strength. Do not use the cheap stuff on this. Okay, so on the Velcro, take the side that's not fuzzy, which has the little hooks on it, and cut it, wrap it around the back side of your cell phone holder, like so. And when you're done, it will look like this. Leave some of the piece that holds the stickiness there, or you'll have to put something over that spot because this stuff is really sticky. I went ahead and just left the plastic piece there when I put it over, and only left the sticky spots through here and here. Now you take the fuzzy part of the Velcro and you get rid of this two-sided tape, and you want to cut the Velcro around to match it, and when you're done it will look like this. Then you take this part right here and you want to stick it like there. Okay, give me 1 minute here. Okay, so now your camera's here. The mirror piece is here. And this way you can see yourself in it. And you know that you have it focused on yourself. You still want to look at the camera the whole time. Don't stare at your mirror, or you'll be looking off just a little bit to the right. Okay, so you cut off a piece of the Velcro to fit on your camera. As you see, this camera here didn't have much space, but it's okay. Take the angled side and point it towards the lens. Make sure it has space to miss when it comes on. See it cleared. And now you can see yourself on the camera when you're recording. Well, I hope this helped out a lot. This is a very cheap and easy way to see yourself on camera, cell phone, when talking on your camera. And if you like this video, please click the like button. And I also have other videos to check out. Thank you for watching.